Matariki for me personally was that my family took a lot of pride in preparations and celebration of Matariki.
I love Matariki. I love how busy it is and how many positive kaupapa are always on at Matariki time, and every year it gets bigger and bigger.
It's a time where we could actually be empowered to do the things that we want to do and look forward to the future.
He wā ki te maumahara rātou mā kua te Rangatira i te tau kua pāhure. He wā hoki ki te whakanahau ko te tau e heke mai nei, te tau hau Māori.
So today I've been displaying some of my jewellery here at Te Papa and also just talking about the materials I use. So I use metal-based materials as well as some natural materials such as kōwhai seed and whalebone and pounamu.
We've got a lot of great artists in Ngāti tour, so it's awesome when we get the opportunity to all come together and be ourselves and do our mahi and watch each other, learn wānanga, kōrero, collaborate. It's really awesome.
For me, the sound of Tangapura, the traditional instruments, it's the personification of emotion, and that's what I'm always chasing. I'm chasing, if I play a certain instrument and I invoke an emotional response in those that they can hear it, that's my job done.
Today I've just been doing some wood cuts. We've got an exhibition coming up. We've got 2 exhibitions coming up, Matariki exhibitions, so I thought today would be a good opportunity to finish off some work for those.
So we're a bunch of weavers, we're out there in Porirua. It's always good to rub shoulders with new people because that brings new ideas. Also, it's awesome when you've got the cousins over there bringing the background music. Fantastic.